In industrial manufacturing, electrostatic charging is very problematic. Charging arises because of air conditioning equipment, machines, and above all, human body movement. Damage caused by electrical discharges can have considerable consequences for a company, above all if the fault occurs in mass production and might not even be noticed. Modern industrial factories are provided with conductive floors, which prevent such problems. The resistance of the floor is low, as it should be. But through use and over time, the pores of a floor open in many places and clog up with dirt. The floor loses its conductivity incrementally. This clogged dirt can no longer be removed by maintenance cleaning. The floor must be completely replaced at great expense. Even more serious than the expense is the operating stoppage in production. But not with the ESD floor system developed by Dr. Schutz. The floor remains intact and is newly sealed. The ESD coatings ensure optimal conductivity, are particularly elastic, hard-wearing, and therefore easy to clean. The ESD coated floor is also well guarded against abrasion and chemicals. The ESD floor coating system can be used in colors or as transparent. If the old floor's appearance is still acceptable, then a transparent coat is applied, and if the floor is too patchy, it is given a colored lacquer on top. ESD Base Coat and ESD Color Base restore the conductivity of the floor in the same way by sealing the micro damage to the surface. The pores of the floor are sealed long-term so that dust cannot form a barrier to stop conductivity. Afterwards, a transparent coat of ESD Top Coat is applied, which is especially elastic and hence hard-wearing, and additionally is easy to clean. Only in this combination are ESD Color Base and ESD Top Coat so effective and conductive. With the help of Dr. Schutz's ESD floor system, floors which were no longer conductive are given a new life in which they become functional again. The example here shows how in a large factory it was possible to lower the values from 374 to under 10 volts. Dr. Schutz has already renovated numerous industrial areas successfully with the ESD floor system all over the world. And that is in addition to minimal stoppages and without having to remove the old floor. The system has been tested and certified many times, as well as winning awards. After renovation, the floor is only cleaned using ESD Cleaner from then on. This cleaner does not form layers, preserves conductivity, and dries out very quickly. This means that the cost of maintenance cleaning is also reduced. In this way, businesses not only save during renovation, but also in maintenance cleaning afterwards. The Dr. Schutz ESD floor system, simply the best solution for conductive floors. Dr. Schutz, we care about floors.